In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to help resolve if your printer is not working on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, select additional troubleshooters. Before you proceed, I'd recommend making sure your printer is turned on, that there's paper in the paper tray, and that there is ink in the printer itself. Make sure it's not empty. And also make sure that if you're using the printer wirelessly, make sure that it is connected to your network on the printer itself. All these printers nowadays have these little screens on them. Make sure that your Wi-Fi credentials are on there. And then come in here and select printer and then run the troubleshooter for that. And give us a moment. And then hopefully, if you follow along with the on-screen directions as it's stated, you should be good to go. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.